Welcome to Motu Elephant TV!
Today I will teach you ABCD. A for apple. B for ball.
Yeah, over here! Got it! Ah! Nice pass! Your turn!
C for cat.
Soft paws padding on the floor, Minu walks along, swinging tail and happy
D is for dog. Can you say D? D for dog. E for elephant. E is for elephant. Can you say that with me? Elephant. Great job. F for fish.
F for fish. Swim, swim.
G for goat.
G for goat, mama.
H for hen. I is for ice cream.
Yummy!
Ice cream starts with the letter I. I love ice cream.
So yummy. Mine smells C. Yummy. More. Messy.
J for juice. Let's see what's on the screen. Juice starts with J. J for juice. K for kite. L is for lion. Can you roar like a lion? M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N is for nest. Let's all say it together. N is for nest. Great job! O for orange. O for orange!
Yay!
That's right, O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rat.
R for rat.
R is for rat. R is for rat. S for ship. Let's look at this ship. It sails on the sea. S is for ship. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. Vroo! The van goes Vran. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. is for Xmas tree. Can you say that with me? Xmas tree. Y is for yak. Can you say yak?
Yeah!
Yak! Z for zebra.
Zebra!
Zebra.
Oh, dear. Please like and subscribe.